Hi guys! So today, magpapa-whole body massage kami ng asawa ko. This is his treat para sa akin for my upcoming birthday. And we decided to do this nga before our London trip since we don't have time na pagbalik namin dito sa Germany. So this is the Aroca Thai massage. The place itself is very typical pamasahe like in Manila. They offer din free tea for waiting customers. This is our beds kung saan kami mamassage. Very large ang space nila and before they start the massage, may palinis muna ng paa. Legit yung masahe nila dito. Yung oil na ginagamit is very warm kaya super relaxing din. Though mas hard pa din pag sa Pinas which is my bet, pero karebels na din kasi relaxing pa din naman kahit hindi hard yung pressure ni nanay. Very bet ko dito is yung pagpapatunog ng likod. Super relaxing talaga. And yung pagmasage sa ulo talagang nakakaantok. Ayaw ko lang matulog kasi gusto kong lasapin yung masahe. They also have pala loyalty card and pag naka 10 times na kayong pamassage, magkakaroon kayo ng free massage na choice nyo. I tried na din yung 90 minutes massage nila with face pa. Talagang recommended kasi after session, ang fresh talaga ng face ko nun. Maganda yung products na ginagamit nila. So sulit ba ang 3,200 pesos na 60 minutes massage? Of course, yes. Minsan, we have to treat ourselves then. It's not like luho but more like you deserve this for being so hardworking. Ganun. So if you guys want to have your appointment, you can do this via email and phone call. Just visit their website for details. Thanks for watching!